Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl is back with another amazing video you will love. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this rice fufu using rice. I know it sounds weird, isn't it? If this video is something you like, keep watching. I'm starting off with 1 cup of rice. I'm just going to add it in the bowl, wash it neatly, and then add hot water on it. Cover it to stay for like 20 minutes. So guys, following my previous video on how I made potato fufu, someone recommended rice fufu for me on my Facebook page. She said I put, since you love trying new things, why not try rice fufu? And I'm like, rice fufu? I said, okay, I'll give it a go. And here is me trying to make rice fufu. So fufu is one of the most common and trending food in Africa. We black people love to swallow. And anything that can give us that swallow we want, we are good to go. So guys, I haven't tried this recipe before. This is my first time trying it. I don't know how it's going to look, but finger crossed. Next, I'm going to be adding hot water on it, and then I'll leave it to stay for 20 minutes. Then I come back and wash it and then begin the next process. So I'm just going to cover it, and after 20 minutes, guys, this is how the rice look. I'm just going to sieve the water out and then put it in the blender, blend it very smoothly. So guys, I haven't heard of rice fufu. When she said try rice fufu, I was like, do we have rice fufu? So I went to the YouTube, do some research, and I noticed that a lot of creators have done videos on rice fufu. Once I'm done washing it, guys, I'm going to pour them all in the blender and then add water on it, blend it very smoothly. This process requires a good blender. If you don't have good blender, I don't think it's going to work, because blending this rice was a bit difficult for me. Thank God I was using a good blender, or else I wouldn't have been able to achieve this particular video. So guys, I struggle a bit to blend this rice, because the more you keep adding water, try to blend it, the rice become more thicker. So I reduce the quantity and then blend it again and blend it very smooth. So next, I'm adding it in the pot as you're seeing now, and then begin another process. So guys, this process needs a little bit of heat and continuous stirring, because we don't want it to have mold and we don't want it to get burnt. I'm going to continue to stir it around, because like I said, I don't want it to get burnt and I don't want it to have mold. So for you to prevent this from happening, you need to continue to stir it in a low heat. Remember, in a low heat, guys. So guys, at this point, you can notice that the rice is becoming thicker. So I continue to stir it without letting it sit for one bit. At this point, you notice the changes is becoming to get more thicker and thicker. So I continue to stir it, just like if you are doing semo or you are doing plantain fufu or potato fufu. It's just the same texture I am seeing right now. So I continue to mix it up until I think it is okay for me to stop mixing it in the fire. At this point, I think it is okay for me to stop stirring it around. I'm just going to mix it a little bit and then transfer it into a plastic foil, wrap it and allow it to cool down for about 10 minutes. While I was dishing it out, I was like asking myself, how is this rice fufu going to taste? Anyway, I've done it. I'm going to try it. I wrapped it around a plastic foil and then allow it to cool down for about 10 minutes. So once I'm done wrapping it like this, I will leave it to cool down, and then I'm going to pop in with my delicious draw soup, because this type of fufu na draw soup dey fit am. So guys, this is how it looks. Next is the time for me to try it. I just unfold it from the plastic foil, put am for plate and then add my delicious draw soup. Omo, I can't wait, yo. This is what I was saying while I was filming this video. And then look at it now. Check am, check am, check am, check am. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's try it. So when I cut it, it feels like agidi in my hand. If you've seen white agidi before, that is how I feel it. But I managed to mold something out of it anyway. And I said, okay, it's time for me to try it. And then I dipped it into the soup and put it in my mouth. It was okay. But is this something I'm going to try again? I don't think so. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.